So hey guys, Motorola has launched two new flip phones, the Razr 40 Ultra and Razr 40, and both looks great in terms of design and specs, but I think the Razr 40 makes more sense to me. I am not telling that the Razr 40 Ultra is not good, but looking at the both phones side by side, the cheaper Razr 40 grab attention with its specs and more importantly the price, which we will talk in a minute. So here is the specs list of the both phones, and as you can see, the Razr 40 has more features and almost same specs as 40 Ultra. The only difference is the cover display size, which the Razr 40 Ultra has a 3.6 inches display, whereas the Razr 40 has a small 1.5 inches screen. To be honest, for me the cover display doesn't matter much. Looking at the other specs, the Razr 40 is better in all other areas compared to the Razr 40 Ultra. Why Motorola has done this partiality to the Razr 40 Ultra, I don't know, or it might be some tech issues, or the cover display of the Razr 40 Ultra has taken all the space. See, having a big cover display is just more than a show off. I know we can do some daily useful things from the cover display, but just think, we all like using our phone in its full display. Considering the CPU, the Razr 40 comes with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 which is built on 4nm tech, which I think this will not give you any problems in your daily use. And it all depends on Motorola how they have optimized this CPU for the flip phone. It will be interesting to see. Talking about the other specs, as I said, both phones comes with almost same specs, but the Razr 40 has better features in some departments, such as the Razr 40 Ultra has only 3800 mAh battery, which I am not sure that it can give you more than 1 day battery life because having two displays on board, while Razr 40 has a good 4200 mAh battery which 90% gonna use for the main display. On the camera department, the Razr 40 Ultra has 12 plus 13 megapixel setup, and on the Razr 40 there is a 64 megapixel plus 12 megapixel setup. Both phones comes with the same 33 watt fast charging and 5 watt wireless charging, and both phones has IP52 rating. Now considering the price, the Razr 40 Ultra cost $999, but Motorola has not disclosed the price of the Razr 40. We all know it will cost low, and I think it might come around $490 to $550 considering all the specs it has. So I am on the side of the affordable Razr 40. Which side are you? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.